Welcome everyone. In today's session, we'll explore how to pad a string on both sides with a specified character to make it reach a desired length. This is a simple yet very useful technique in many programming scenarios, such as formatting outputs or aligning text. Let's dive in and see how this works. The problem is straightforward. We need to pad a string on both sides so that it reaches a specified length. By default, the padding character will be a space, but we'll allow flexibility to use any character. The string should be centered as much as possible. Here's the JavaScript code for our solution. The function pad takes three arguments: the string, the desired length, and the padding character. For default, it is a space. We use padStart to add characters to the start of the string until it's halfway padded. Next, we use padEnd to complete the padding by adding characters to the end of the string. Finally, the function returns the padded string. Let's test it with a few examples. Here's how it works. First, we validate the input parameters, ensuring the string and length are defined. Then, we calculate the padding required for both sides of the string. Using padStart, we add characters to the beginning of the string. Afterwards, padEnd adds to the padding to the end of the string. The result is a perfectly padded string which we return. Let's review a few test cases. The string cat is padded with spaces to achieve a total length of 8. The number 42 is padded with zeros to a length of 6. If the string's length exceeds the specified length, like foo with a length of 3, no padding is applied. The ability to pad strings is essential in many real-world scenarios. Formatting outputs, to create a neat centered text for user interface. Generating logs, to maintain consistent spacing in log files for easy reading. Data presentation, to align table rows and columns in reports or dashboards. This technique enhances the presentation and readability of textual data. In summary, the pad function utilizes JavaScript's padStart and padEnd methods to efficiently center or pad strings. It is a simple yet powerful tool for creating professional and readable outputs. From user interface to data formatting, this technique is highly practical in various scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.